The Gomboy Professional is Silky's #1 selling saw worldwide. With its refined Japanese craftsmanship and superior cutting efficiency, it's no surprise that this saw can do it all. The 8.3-inch adjustable curved blade enhances the cutting speed as the teeth naturally dive into the wood fibers as you pull the blade back through the wood. The impulse-hardened teeth stay sharp about 3 times longer than non-hardened teeth. The premium Japanese steel is ultra-durable and resistant to rust and resin. The rubber handle is comfortable to hold, reduces vibration, and offers superior grip when your hands are wet, cold, or wearing gloves. Whether you're collecting firewood for camping, working around the yard, or clearing trails, the Gomboy Curve is the saw for you.
The thing about trail building for me is the fact that it's like a piece of art, going out in the woods and having a huge canvas of many thousands of acres to be able to go ups, downs, lefts, and rights, and hopefully help people disengage their brain from society and reality and get engaged into nature. We're building trails on a mountain. It spans all aspects from the north face around to the south face, and the topography is incredible. Jeff is a crazy dude. I'll put it that way.
So we looked for a place like this for about 3 or 4 years before we found this particular property. This piece of land is kind of just, it's the the crazy dream come true. I always kind of dreamed of building the playground. My general philosophy of building a new trail is I want it to blend into the environment as quick as possible. I want it to look like it's always been there.
We don't want to force our thought process onto the land. We want to take what the land gives us and create what people will enjoy riding.
When you're building a trail, there isn't a tool that's the right tool for every purpose. The bigger the tools you use, the more disturbance you're going to create. It's going to take more time till things revegetate. So I'm always looking for kind of what's the minimal impact. In certain areas, you can use a small handsaw, cut a few small trees, and rake out kind of the debris on the ground, and you've got a very usable trail.
My favorite part of trail building is, I think, when it's all done, and seeing people enjoy it and seeing smiles on people's faces, and is the smile. Everybody smiling and having fun.
The Nordic Pocket Saw is the most award-winning pocket-sized hand-powered chainsaw. It's tough, powerful, and packable. It's lightweight, and the handy case makes it easy to take along with you, making it a reliable companion for exciting outdoor activities.
When I'm out in the outdoors, no matter what I'm doing, I'm always bringing some essential tools. They are the knife, an axe, and then, of course, a saw. With the Nordic Pocket Saw, I have a very small and powerful piece that I easily can carry in my pockets or in my backpack and have easy access to whenever I need it.
The saw provides smooth and effective cutting in both directions. The strong and durable nylon handles ensure a safe and comfortable grip. With the Nordic Pocket Saw, you can easily cut hard-to-reach branches. You can also use the Nordic Pocket Saw for dragging logs. The chain is made from heat-treated high-carbon steel. Laboratory strength tests prove that the Nordic Pocket Saw cope with forces up to 5,940 Newton and 20 times the power of normal use. To summarize, Nordic Pocket Saw is practical, effective, and durable. Nordic Pocket Saw. It's just raw, compact power.
This is the Freescape Camp Saw. The innovative design lets you fold the saw flat while remaining completely assembled using no extra tools. Its slim size when folded makes it simple to store in a pack or a gear bag without threat of lost parts. Apply the sturdy blade to cut through larger diameter wood. Its structure lets you work with the full length of the blade for the most efficient use of your energy. Replace the standard 12-inch blade easily when needed. The saw's grippy rubber handle stays firmly in your hand as you go. This is the Freescape Camp Saw.
How tough is the Wicked Tough folding saw? We are proud to call it the toughest folding saw on Earth, and the proof is in its construction. It solves all the problems of the cheap plastic saws that are actually designed to fail. The Wicked Tough handsaw's foundation for strength is its patented cast aluminum handle design, which is as tough as nails and literally unbreakable. The fail-safe blade lock design is made from hardened steel and eliminates the most common blade lock failure that happens with the top locking style saws. The Wicked Tough saw uses all hardened steel nuts and bolts, so there's no plastic or cheap metal to bend, wear, or break. The Wicked Tough handle is quite possibly the most comfortable handsaw handle on the market. It's designed to fit your hand and is not made from cheap plastic. Its non-slip rubber grip is actually molded around the cast aluminum handle to ensure that it will never break or fall off. It's the first of its kind, and you'll feel the difference instantly. The handle angle and position are designed to align your wrist with your forearm, which translates into a more comfortable and efficient cut. When it comes to blades, you truly get what you pay for. The Wicked Sharp blade is made from an engineered grade of high carbon steel and is quite simply the toughest steel blade you can get. Its Wicked Sharp tooth design holds an edge for an incredibly long time. It won't bend or break, and it won't bind cutting through even the toughest hardwoods. The Wicked Tough saw will easily cut through trees up to 8 inches in diameter, and it will also cut 3/4 inch plywood, 2x4s, 4x4s, and anything else that's made of wood. Like the entire Wicked Tree Gear product line, we inspect 100% of our products before they are shipped. This is unheard of in today's marketplace, where our competitors receive packaged goods and ship them directly to their customers, only checking a very small percentage of the products, if any. Each Wicked handsaw is inspected, tuned, and packaged in-house by a Wicked craftsman here in Iowa. It really is the only way to guarantee every Wicked product is the best that it can be.